Brown's Landing is at Holden Beach, North Carolina, in Brunswick County. It's at the end of Stone Chimney Road, and that's just a few miles east of Holden Beach itself. The landing is located at the Lockwood Folly Inlet. The Lockwood Folly Inlet is at the east end of Holden Beach and at the west end of Oak Island, North Carolina. Holden Beach is known to be a nice family beach. It's not as hectic as some of the other beaches in the area, like Wrightsville Beach or Myrtle Beach. If you're staying in Holden Beach, you know, it's a small town. There are limited things to do there, but you can find the stores and stuff. But if you need a broader selection of things, then you can find that in Charlotte, and that's a short drive away. Brown's Landing is a good vantage point to fly a drone from. You've got the Intercoastal Waterway right in front of you. With the inlet, you have a lot of watercraft. You have a lot of activity there. So it's a good place to sit. It's a quiet place because it's at the end of Stone Chimney Road. There may be a few people there that are fishing, but other than that, it's pretty quiet. Anyway, go check it out sometime. It's a good place to visit. Thanks very much for watching. I do a few other videos on the channel of this area, so check it out when you have some time. Thank you.